Today was truly an exciting day for creators everywhere because Adobe just introduced their brand new Generative Fill tool directly within the Photoshop beta app powered by Adobe Firefly. With this tool, you can generate objects, generate backgrounds, remove objects, and also extend your image with the click of a button. So I decided to take one of my favorite pictures that I took of a favorite San Diego iconic landmark, Sunset Cliffs, and I wanted to see how AI generative fill features would work. I really wanted to test how a basic picture from my phone would be analyzed by these tools, and the results were absolutely amazing. I was truly amazed by how quickly the generative fill tool was able to remove the cliffs, add a sailboat, add some waves. It was even able to add a magical sea creature from a sailboat that was never there in the first place, amongst a very nice, beautiful sunset and clouds that were also not there. It was amazing to see the extending of the image with the generative fill tool because it honestly just matched the waves precisely. I mean, I really can't comprehend what my eyes are seeing. What also really stood out to me were the colors that the generative objects created. They merged seamlessly into, the colors of the water and the splashes of gold from this sunset that I took. And not only is it cool that these tools can generate objects with the click of a button, but they can also really create an efficient workflow for the other features that we've used in Adobe for years, like cropping and using the lasso tool and feathering. Let's just say that even if they didn't have the generate objects features, these AI tools of removing objects and creating backgrounds with the click of a button is so efficient for creators. I mean, really, it's going to save so much time, even for that alone. So I think this is a huge win for creators everywhere. I really think that Adobe cares about everybody using their products, like you and me. This is only the beginning. If Adobe is introducing this now in the beta version of a new type of Photoshop, I can't imagine what this is going to be like. Congratulations to Adobe and their amazing team for releasing this new beta app. Thank you so much for empowering the next generation of creators, and I can't wait to see what you all create. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thanks for watching.